Baby, I need you to come to me. We need to talk. We haven't seen each other for a while. I don't want another Rosa, not even at the end of my life. I don't wanna see your tears anymore, even if someone sends a message. I don't want you coming back from far away. I'll wipe the tears from my face while I'm crying, because I don't wanna live like this anymore. Hey, find my name. You love me today. Hey, find my name. You love me today. If I keep waiting, still wanna hear your answer. I'm sitting here holding on to my happiness, hoping one day we'll be together. I don't want the day to come where things change again. Don't let your heart turn away. Love me now, because my doubts are gone. Love me now, be today. Don't stay far away, so your little canoe doesn't drift off on its own. Stay close beside me, so you don't wander off like someone lost. I don't want any more pain, and if your love comes back to me, please don't leave suddenly without saying goodbye. Find my name. You call me, you love me today. You call me now. Find my name. You love me today. If your heart still feels this love, and there's still life in it, if I wait and listen for your love, I don't wanna wait till tomorrow. Love me now, my faraway love, because temptation is still walking around nearby. You call me